In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see views on Substack. This is a simple process that lets you check how engaging your content is on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, understanding your audience's interaction with your post is crucial. It not only provides motivation when you see your readers engage with your content, but also gives you insight into which topics might resonate more with them. First, make sure you're logged into your Substack account. Once you're in, navigate straight to your Substack dashboard. This is essentially your control panel for everything related to your published content on the platform. It's where you can manage your posts, view analytics, and customize various aspects of your blog or newsletter. Next, locate the Posts tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this tab will bring up a list of all the content you've published. It's like a directory of your creative work, allowing you to easily find any piece of content you've written. It's also where you can access individual statistics for each post. Now go ahead and click on the post for which you want to check the views. Each post will present various details once you click on it. This can involve editing options, published dates, and of course your post's performance metrics, which is what we're interested in today. Once you've clicked on your chosen post, look for the Overview tab. The Overview tab is your gateway to all the important statistics about that specific post. Here, you'll find various data points, but our focus is on the total views. This figure gives you a direct count of how many times your post has been viewed by readers. It's an invaluable metric for assessing popularity and reach. This straightforward process will help you keep track of what's catching your audience's attention. Regularly checking these numbers can guide you in tailoring future content to better meet your audience's preferences. Over time, as you compare view counts from different posts, it can offer insights into trends and help you sharpen your content strategy. Remember, while views are a helpful indicator, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Consider other analytics like engagement and feedback for a comprehensive understanding of your audience's interests. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to monitor your views on Substack, providing you with the feedback necessary to grow and refine your content offerings. So go ahead, dive into your Substack statistics and explore what makes your content shine to your readers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you navigate your Substack experience with ease.